Are you over the age of 40, maybe even 50 like me, and love the look of leggings outfits, but don't feel the most confident in leggings? If so, this video is for you. If you don't feel like a most confident, badass woman when you wear leggings outfits, then I just want you to know that I have been where you are. Yes, absolutely, girl, I have been there too. I see all these super fantastic leggings outfits all over social media and in stores just like you do. And I wanted to wear them for the longest time before I actually started wearing them because I had some concerns. First of all, I wondered if I was too big. All of these gorgeous women in these legging outfits that I was seeing all over social media were a lot smaller than I am. I also wondered if I was too short, because all of these women that you see in these amazing legging outfits all over social media were a lot taller than I am too. I even wondered if I was going to look like I was trying too hard, whatever that even really means, right? Trying too hard. But I felt like maybe at my age, I would look like I was trying too hard to look young in a leggings outfit. And I want to look confident. I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard. So what caused me to think that maybe I should just pass on leggings outfits for really years was all this too big, too short, all this trying too hard stuff that I had floating around in my mind. But I was drawn to a leggings outfit, and that's just not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to skip wearing leggings outfits. It's something I wanted to wear. I never wanted to feel foolish wearing a leggings outfit, so I figured it out. I have learned that it's all about how you wear the leggings that is the key to a great leggings outfit. Now, the first thing you need to have to feel confident in a leggings outfit is some high quality leggings. And this is because when I'm out and about, I want a more elevated look. I don't want just the quick running errands to and from my yoga studio, athletic yoga looking outfit. I want a more elevated look. For a more elevated look, I like these faux leather look leggings. The black ones I'm wearing today are by Spanx, and they're just like a cult classic. But I have another pair of faux leather leggings in a dark coffee brown. These dark brown faux leather leggings, which I also really love to wear, are from Walmart. So obviously, my two preferred leather look leggings are at very different price points, but I really love them both just the same. Now, once you have your high quality leggings that you're going to build all these great outfits around that you're going to feel absolutely confident in, the second thing you need to consider is proportions. Now, proportions are incredibly important in putting together any outfit that you're going to feel confident in. But in a leggings outfit, they're even more important. That's one thing you really cannot get wrong in a leggings outfit. And that's simply because leggings fit so tight, so close to the body. So in choosing a piece to wear with them, something that's flowy, something that's loose, maybe even boxy, is a great balance to the proportions. I personally don't like to wear clothing pieces that are really fitted on the bottom and at the same time wear clothing pieces that are really fitted on the top. That is not a silhouette that I gravitate towards. I feel like a silhouette like that, for me personally, is crossing the line into that trying too hard category, so I avoid that. So I always pair leggings with something very loose and flowy up top. All tight, all over is not a look I feel very confident in. But a balanced proportion look brings me the confidence I need to really rock a leggings outfit. Now, the next thing you need to consider to feel really confident in your leggings outfit is how you're going to style your outfit pieces. And this is where I have found all of my leggings outfit confidence. It's all in the styling. So here's the good stuff. If you are self-conscious about your tummy in a leggings outfit, try creating a visual angle across your tummy area. By creating an angle across the body part that you're trying to kind of minimize the look of, you're literally drawing the eye away from that body part and drawing the eye to the highest point of contrast in your outfit. And in this case, drawing it off to the side creates that angle across my tummy, minimizing the look of my tummy. And that's really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to distract the eye to a higher point of contrast on a smaller part of my body. And this brings me a lot of confidence to draw the eye away from my tummy that I'm not trying to bring a lot of attention to. Now, if you're more self-conscious about the rear view of your outfit in a leggings outfit, that is the absolute easiest issue to resolve. All you need to do is wear a tunic or a jacket long enough to cover as much of your rear end as you deem necessary so that you regain your confidence. Now, here's the thing I want you to know. You do not need to cover your entire bum. You don't. You have a bum. just like every other human being living on the planet. And I promise you, no matter what you tell yourself, there's nothing wrong with yours. But if the thought of your rear view keeps you from wearing leggings outfits confidently, then cover just as much or as little as you need to feel confident. Now, if your concern in a leggings outfit isn't that you're trying to cover your tummy or trying to cover your bum, but you're afraid you're just going to look short and stubby, that one also has the easiest solution. If you're self-conscious about how short or long your legs are going to look in leggings, then you can instantly lengthen the look of your leg by choosing the right footwear. The greatest feature of a tall boot is that it lengthens the look of your leg because it lengthens the line as it comes down your leg, making your legs appear longer. Now, I'll tell you, I really wanted to wear my tall boots for this video today, but as many of you know, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know that I am in the process of recovering from 2 severely sprained ankles, and my tall boots have heels on them, and I can't wear heels yet. So I went with these black moto boots because it gives me the same effect. Wearing shoes in the same color as my leggings visually lengthens my legs. And the higher the heel, the more elongated your leg will look if your shoes are in the same color as your leggings. So that is really just like a little gem of information for you to know if you want to elongate the look of your legs in leggings. Now maybe, if you're anything like I was, all of these concerns are keeping you from feeling confident in leggings outfits. And I'm just here to tell you that's okay. That's okay because you can do all of these tricks in one outfit. You can wear the shoes that give you an elongated look. You can create the angle across your tummy if your tummy is concerned, and you can easily wear a cardigan or a jacket that completely covers your bum. And in putting all of these things together, you can address all the issues and feel comfortable in a leggings outfit. Now, if you have tried some of these things, if you've even maybe bought the leggings but you don't wear them because you don't feel confident, I want you to do just one more thing. I want you to just put them on and wear the outfit. That's right, just put them on and wear the outfit. Wear it around your house when you know you're not going to be going anywhere for the day. And if you've done that, but you've never left the house in leggings, I'm going to dare you to go check the mail or run to the drugstore in your leggings. It's a quick trip out of the house where the rest of the world can see you, and you will find out when you get out into the world that that is absolutely okay because there's nothing wrong with you. And that little trip out of the house in your leggings outfit is going to help you build the confidence you need to go a little further out into the world in your fantastic leggings outfit. Then, once you're comfortable running these short errands out in your leggings outfit, do something like this. Maybe go shopping in your leggings outfit. That's right, go to the mall. Go to the mall or go to one of your favorite shopping places and go in your styled leggings outfit. Because here's the deal. The more you wear your styled leggings outfit, the more you're going to build confidence in yourself and how you look in your leggings outfit. Then, over time, you will come to understand that you have every right to feel just as confident as anybody else does in their leggings outfit. You don't have to be smaller to feel confident in a leggings outfit. I am not a tiny woman and I feel confident in leggings all over the place. You do not have to be taller to feel confident in a leggings outfit. I am not tall by any means. I am the perfectly average 5'4", size 8 to 10, American female, so I'm not tall and I'm not small, but that certainly does not put me in a category of trying too hard. Please do drop down into the comments and tell me, what are your style tips? How do you wear leggings outfits and find your confidence in these outfits? And I am super curious to know if you have a lot of rules around wearing leggings outfits. I would love to know, what are your rules? Like, is it an absolute rule for you that your crotch be covered? Is it absolutely a rule for you that your bum be covered? Because I've heard that one over and over and over again. And I don't subscribe to either one of those rules. I feel like if I can style my outfits appropriately, and by appropriate I mean in a way that I feel confident in, that the rules don't really apply to me. And in my opinion, rules don't apply to you either. But I would love to hear your thoughts on leggings. So please do drop down into the comments and share with me. Let's chat. Now, if you absolutely do not wear leggings outfits outside of athletic purposes or something like that, please do drop down into the comments and share that with me for sure. And if nothing else, by this point in the video, I hope you absolutely, truly understand that there is nothing wrong with you. Nothing. And you should and have the right to wear whatever outfits you're drawn to. All you need is some styling tricks to make it work for you, so that you can feel confident in those outfits that you're drawn to. Because my whole goal here on this channel is to help you feel authentically confident in your personal authentic style. And if that includes leggings outfits for you like it does for me, then we should wear all the leggings outfits we want, right? Now, I do have links down below in the description box to everything I've worn and talk about in the video today. But some of the pieces I've talked about today are no longer available. And in the case where those pieces are no longer available, I have linked the very best similar substitutions that I can find for you. And I do hope that helps. It has been so much fun chatting with you for a few minutes today. If you would like to hang out with me from time to time, I do hope you will consider subscribing to the channel. But if you're not ready to subscribe, don't worry about it. No harm, no foul. If you're not ready to subscribe, just know this: you have an open invitation to come back and hang out anytime you like. I will be right here making more videos to empower you to live authentically in your own authentic personal style and feel confident every minute that you do that. I recently made a video about finding your own authentic personal style using only pieces that you already own. You don't have to do any scrolling, you don't have to do any shopping, you don't have to make a Pinterest board, you don't have to do any of that. You already have everything you need to find your own authentic personal style as it stands right now. I would love for you to come over into that video and hang out with me over there for a few minutes. So that video will be here on your screen now, but it's also linked down below if you want to come find me that way. Just don't forget, I'm waiting for you over there. I'll see you there. Bye.